we'll walk around and show you your mailbox tomorrow because when you have time. But here is your key fob. What you're going to do is touch it to the door.
Right.
It'll light up green.
Okay.
When it's green, that means it's unlocked. Yep.
Okay.
When you go inside, physically turn the lock to close it.
Okay.
And then when you come back out, it does not lock by itself. So make sure you touch that fob to the door again.
Right.
It'll light up red, and that lets you know it is now locked. Yes.
Okay. Cool. Thank you.
You're welcome. Anything else?
It's official.
Oh, we're going to talk about parking.
Her pistol go.
Hey, hi baby dolls. Welcome in. Guys, I'm so excited because this is my first apartment. This is my first apartment and I'm so excited to show you dolls everything. I'm so excited. You guys ready? Babe, you ready?
I'm ready.
She's been ready. Okay, so this is my washer and dryer. Y'all, I don't have to go downstairs. I don't have to go to no laundromat. It's right here for me, so this is very convenient. I really love this. It's like one of my favorites. And here, I got a whole bunch of stuff in here because I was shopping. This is where I'll have my coats for guests. All that, all that. There's another thing that I love is my kitchen, y'all. Y'all see this? This is my kitchen. Refrigerator. Okay, y'all see all this? I ain't got nothing in it yet, but I love how I have so much storage room. And I love the fact, this is one thing that I wanted to have in my apartment was to have all white.
Dishwasher.
Dishwasher. I have so much open space, y'all. Oh my God. I love how deep my sink is. I just love this area. It's just so much space. I love the lights up here. Oh my gosh. Guys, I'm in love. So I'm gonna take you guys over here. This is my living room. This is where you see all of the beautiful, beautiful view. Downtown Chicago. This is like my favorite. I definitely got my floor-to-ceiling windows that I always wanted. Now, this is something I gotta be used to doing, just opening this balcony. Sometimes it's hard, but oh my gosh. You guys see this view? I'm using this every day, every night. So I love, I can change my temperatures to heat. What did I do? I need to put it up some more because it's kind of cold in here.
It's gonna be it.
Yeah, don't mind my nails. My nails is a hot mess right now, okay? Don't mind my nails. Okay. Y'all see my floor? Okay. This floor is amazing. I just love my floor. So I have two bathrooms. This is the first bathroom. This will be my guest bathroom. I love how spacious this bathroom is. I love the shower. It's just so like, so nice. I love, love, love. I love this so much. It's so spacious. And I just love how much space I got. Closet room space, all that. It's the bomb. I love my sinks. Y'all can hear me say I love a lot, but I love all of everything. And then here will be my glam room. My ceiling room, all that good stuff. This is the closet. And I love the fact that I can see my balcony from this room. So I can see my balcony from right here. It's like so dope, y'all. I'm really gonna deck this room out. I already bought a couple of things. I just want it to look very glamorous, like me. I'm gonna have my wigs in here. Have a, what do you call it? A clothing rack. I'm gonna just have it like really, really cute. Huh?
Vanity.
A vanity. I'm probably gonna have my long mirror here. So this is where I'll be getting ready and dressed, because you know when you get ready, it takes a lot. Like you have your room looking a mess. So this will basically be my makeup room, getting ready room, filming, all that good stuff. So I can't wait to decorate. Make this room amazing. Okay, so this is my room. And let me tell y'all what I love about my room is that my room has a bathroom in it, you guys. And I have 2 sinks, okay? Do not play. Okay, I have 2 sinks. Where's the light right here? Alright. Then here's my tub in this area, my toilet.
It's a deep tub.
This is so deep, y'all. I ain't been in it yet, but it's so deep. I just love how whatever they did, like this is just amazing. Like this color, I love how they did gray and stuff with the light. All of this, they did the stainless steel. Like this is like what I wanted. I got exactly what I wanted. It's just so nice. And then here is the closet where I'll be having my towels on my clothes. Maybe put, I don't know. Yeah, I'll have probably just towels right here. I'm just gonna make it look so good, y'all. I can't wait to show y'all the furnished apartment tour. What else I like? And I just love how many drawers, like I said, y'all. This apartment has so many drawers. I have so much space for everything. I just love it so much. And this will be my view. The beautiful, beautiful tall buildings. It's amazing, y'all. I still can't believe I got this apartment. I'm gonna lead you to the kitchen and the door. Y'all gotta go. I'm just joking. I'm stay. Stop. Don't go. I think that wraps up for this entire video. I hope y'all enjoyed. I didn't want to be annoying because I watched some videos and people want to talk about too many details. Oh, this is my, whatever this is. This is my dishwashing liquid. This is my
Paper towel.
It's like common sense, like, yo, that's annoying. This is a hole. Over here, these are my newspapers. I gotta do it like, yo, it's not that serious. Oh, one thing I love too, I love this right here. What's this? Oh, I didn't know. See, I'm still learning, y'all. I'm still seeing some stuff in this house. It's lights under here. So I love this. Like my colors are gonna be very neutral colors, white colors. I just want it to look very pure and refreshing. That's my goal to do with the colors in this house. I just love it so much. I love this. Love how spacious this is. I'm gonna put some bar stools in this area over here. I'm gonna put some pictures over here, of course. I love my pictures. I have a lot of open wall space to put pictures and all of that. So I just have a lot of open space, which is I really love. So I did show you all like the view, but I don't want to show you guys too much of my view because it's very private and I'm crazy know where I'm at. So I'm only going to show a little side, so you guys can't see the whole thing, because if I show you guys, you know, then people can find out where I stay. And I don't need no power, right? So as you can see my glam room from right here. I'm showing you guys. So cute. And I'm only gonna show y'all a little side of my view. It's right here, that's it. But just to give y'all a taste of what I'm seeing every night, like this is gonna be amazing to see this every night. So show me. Oh, it's a thing right here too.
Oh, wow.
Okay.
So if we wanted to watch a movie or some shit, just turn everything on. That's dope.
This is what's up. See, I'm learning. I'm seeing some stuff as I go. I did not see that at all. I didn't think it was one right there, but I like This is amazing. I can't believe this is mine. Did you believe it?
Yeah. I knew you could do it. I believed in you.
That's crazy. I don't know if it hit me or what. I think I'm just feeling shocked.
When you get all your furniture, it's gonna hit
Yeah, so I have all my furniture coming in. Well, some of my furniture coming in tomorrow. I'm just so ready to decorate. This is crazy. I literally thought like, I don't know what I thought, but my biggest goal was to get a luxury apartment, high-rise apartment
downtown.
in like downtown Chicago, like, and see like the beautiful buildings, and I'm literally doing it now. So this is crazy.
When did you
I'm
want
so
to?
happy.
When did you actually want to do that though?
Soon, like well, very, very soon. Like I've been wanting to do it for a long time. I wanted to get it on my birthday in September. That was my goal. I'm gonna do it in September, but it came quicker. Or I thought about getting it in December, moving into the new year. But things changed, and it just happened like, bitch, it's here. No, you gotta get this shit now, and it happened. So
I'm very proud of you.
thank you.
You're welcome.
I'm just so happy. I'm so blessed. This is crazy.
This is what happens when you put God first and you put your craft first.
Hard work and
Hard work
dedication.
and dedication.
You gotta hustle and just keep going and keep going. I literally thought I was gonna probably have this like next year or the next 2 years or something. Like, when I say everything just literally happened fast, it happened so quick. And of course, I want to thank my baby dolls for rocking with me, because without y'all, none of this would be possible. So I just really appreciate you guys for rocking with me, staying with me, and loving my videos, because man, it takes a lot of hard work to do all these videos, and I have so much in store for y'all now that I have my apartment. Oh, it's popping. I can do all the things that I've been wanting to do for the longest. So I have new things coming, new vlogs, you guys to see who I really am more outside of the hair tutorials and makeup tutorials. You guys can really see who Lyric is on a day-to-day basis. Waking up with me, shopping with me. You guys been asking for so many different videos, so I can finally do what I've been always wanting to do. So this is very exciting, and I just want you guys to know that I love all of you guys, because I literally have supporters all over, like literally. So thank you guys so much from the bottom of my heart. I love y'all so much. Like and subscribe if this is your first time watching. If you've been watching my videos, girl, what is you doing? Like, subscribe, okay? I know you want to subscribe. And give this video a thumbs up if you got, of course. Why wouldn't you enjoy this? This is amazing. This is like a huge, huge goal, okay? And it's only up from here, baby, okay? So y'all gotta get the hell out of here. All right, time for y'all to go. Bye-bye.